We would like to introduce to you the first annual Joseph L. Galetta, M.D. Spirit of Recovery Award. Let's start by first introducing the award's namesake, Dr. Joseph Leo Galetta. (1935), Bessemer, Pennsylvania. Joseph Galetta was the seventh of 8 children born to immigrant parents and general store owners Giovanni and Grace Galetta. After graduating from Bessemer High School, Joe attended pharmacy school at the University of Pittsburgh. Urged by family to continue his education, Joseph and his brother Tony ventured abroad to the University of Santo Tomas School of Medicine in Manila, Philippines. In 1961, Joseph met and married Teresita Soler. The very next year, he not only became a first-time father, but also the first foreign graduate from the university. In 1962, they left the Philippines, headed back to the United States with one child and another on the way. That same year, Joe completed a rotating internship and general practice residency at St. Elizabeth's Hospital in Youngstown, Ohio, passing his boards and receiving his license to practice medicine. Eventually, Joe was drafted into the Navy and stationed back in Manila, where he kicked off the first of many charitable ventures, St. Anthony's Charitable Clinic, a free clinic serving the rural public. In 3 years while stationed abroad, Dr. Galetta rose to the rank of Naval Commander and was then stationed stateside to the 29 Palms, California Naval Base. After an honorable discharge in 1967, he opened his own local private practice. 5 short years later, Joseph's private practice was growing and thriving, much like his family of 6 children. He quickly became a leader in the local medical community, co-founding the High Desert Medical Center in Yucca Valley, California. He later relocated his family and medical practice to Hemet, California, where he co-founded Hemet Hospice. Dr. Galetta was truly a medical pioneer. In 1983, he was one of the first 110 physicians to be formally certified in the emerging field of addiction medicine. He was also later recognized as one of the first distinguished physicians named as Fellow of the American Society of Addiction Medicine. Through the years, Joe served as the medical director for many programs, including Hemet Valley Medical Center Outpatient Program, Loma Linda University's Recovery Services Unit, and Pacifica at Knollwood Hospital in Riverside, California. Dr. Galetta was also recognized with awards through the years, including the Inland Empire Man of the Year, the Valley Health System's Knocker-Cryle Award, the Medical Association's Outstanding Contribution to Medicine Award, and named one of the top 10 doctors in America. He was the author and worldwide lecturer of the ABCs of Addictive Behaviors and Search Tool, both evaluation tools for demonstrating and identifying addictive patterns. But his greatest reward was serving his local community and becoming the medical director of Hemet Valley Recovery Center. Dr. Galetta was a treatment pioneer, having helped develop treatment protocols that took the fear and danger out of detoxification and provided a way out of the grips of alcoholism and addiction for countless patients over the years. He was an active member and later the chair of the Physician Wellness Committee of the Riverside Medical Association, where he assisted many physicians into treatment and recovery, as well as assisted hospitals in the development of wellness programs of their own. Joseph was a man who touched many lives at some point on the road to recovery and was responsible for drawing several healthcare professionals into the field, helping certify a number of addiction specialist physicians who otherwise would never have considered this specialty area of practice. Within the medical community, he championed the early identification and intervention of the disease, helping restore countless lives both directly and indirectly. Dr. Galetta's enthusiasm for the field of chemical dependency treatment was so genuine and contagious. He was a man of great generosity, over a lifetime giving freely of his time and resources for the simple reward of helping. He served on the boards of various facilities and organizations free of charge, and on many occasions administered treatment to countless individuals regardless of their ability to pay. Dr. Galetta showed great loyalty in good times and in bad. He was someone you could count on, someone who commanded respect through his actions and deeds, never through title or position. He could help lift the spirits of the hopeless and the helpless through encouragement, kindness, and that gentle touch that came from somewhere deep inside. He could break the ice with his sense of humor, with a couple of bad lawyer jokes, and put you at ease with his confidence in your ability to recover and thrive. He understood the importance of the 12 steps, the fellowship of the recovery community, and connecting spiritually. He always directed his patients to Alcoholics Anonymous. It was Dr. Goleta, the colleague, who always downplayed his role and promoted the importance of others on the team in a selfless style so rare in people and even rarer in physicians. "I'm just the doctor. It's the team that gets you well." It was this humble demeanor that was so remarkable, so special, and so Joe. His trademark positive attitude and optimistic outlook was an encouragement to all who knew him. As special as Dr. Joseph L. Goleta was, his spirit and dedication to the field of recovery lives on through the work of others. These individuals we honor through the Joseph L. Goleta, M.D. Spirit of Recovery Award. Each year, the recipient selected has embodied and demonstrated a dedication to 12-step philosophy, leadership in the recovery field, the encouragement of others, and the promotion of sober lifestyles. Please join us in the honor of recognizing and presenting our recipient of the first annual Joseph L. Goleta, M.D. Spirit of Recovery Award.